Welcome back to Cannon Coffee. In front of me is a lavAzza espresso point that was brought in by Nicholas because it was leaking. We took the machine apart and opened it up and found that there was a manifold diaphragm that has greatly cracked, so we replaced that. It was a very difficult machine to work on in a sense because it was very tightly engineered, but when all is said and done, it's a very simple machine to use, as I will demonstrate. These are empty cartridges. We don't have any full ones. You close that door and it presses the cartridge in, ejects the previously used one, and then with one button press, the button is flashing now, I don't know if you could see it when I hit it, it draws coffee, espresso. It's just a very tidy little machine. It is no longer leaking. It's in full operation. Thanks for bringing it in, Nicholas. It is a very interesting machine to work on. And, oh yeah, let's demo the steam. Of course it's not. It's shooting out water. There's steam. Steam's working. And then let's demo water. Sorry about that. Rough video. And we'll stop that from happening. Yeah, it's a little bit rough. But anyway, thanks for bringing it in, Nicholas. And if you like these videos, please give us a thumbs up. And if you don't mind, subscribe to the channel. It does really help us out. Thank you.